Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make dark roux for gumbo. Start with equal parts oil and flour and cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the roux reaches a deep brown. Use a heavy bottom pan and be patient. The process takes time and attention. If smoking starts, lower the heat. Add small amounts of liquid to thin the roux if it becomes too thick, and season to taste. To develop flavor, brown the roux slowly until it smells nutty and the color deepens to chocolate brown. Keep spatula moving to prevent burning and scrape the pan edges frequently. If your roux darkens unevenly, pause to lower heat and keep stirring. Remember that a darker roux has less thickening power, so adjust liquid accordingly. Use gloves or long sleeves to protect from splatter and never leave the roux unattended. Common issues include burning, clumping, and thin texture. Troubleshoot by lowering heat and whisking vigorously. If burnt, discard and start anew for clean flavor. To rescue a clumpy roux, strain and blend with warm liquid before adding to gumbo. Aim for a consistent viscosity for even thickening, and remember dark roux adds smoky depth more than thickening. Practice with small batches until you master timing and heat control and patience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.